Well, could schools return to somewhat of a pre-pandemic normal before the end of this school year?
Fox 13's Lauren Steinbrecher is live at Alta High School tonight to explain what administrators are planning for classes and sporting events. Lauren.
Yeah, Bob and Kelly, it has been a big question with some of those huge announcements that we've had recently when it comes to COVID restrictions. And in fact, spring sports have already kicked off. The courts here at Alta High were filled earlier today with a preseason tournament, and people were talking about what may be happening as sports and classes move forward.
It feels good to be back.
Yeah, first tournament of the year.
With Test to Play, every tennis player and coach here between Alta, Jordan, Murray, and Farmington High School knows there's no COVID on the court.
And I think that's what really they're so grateful to play right now. And we talk a lot about gratitude and how we were at a tough spot last year. And
the Alta High coaches say last year, the worst announcement hit as the season started. Everything was shutting down, including tennis. But this year, the season's kicking off with the best news we've heard in a long time.
they're talking about lifting the masks in April, which would be nice.
Everyone I've talked to is so excited about the mandation of masks being gone. Everyone does not like them, especially at school. It gets really hot in there.
Though that statewide April 10th date does come with some fine print.
We would follow the applicable law. And the law as it's written right now is that it carves out the exemption for K-12.
Jeff Haney with the Canyon School District says they don't know yet if masks will stay in the classroom or not because of that exemption on lifting the mandate. Same with protocols like Test to Play and limiting event capacity. For now, the plan is to continue like they have all year.
If it indeed becomes law, then we would be working with the Utah High School Activities Association and the local health authorities on a path to move forward.
While no masks and loosened protocols would be nice, the students say they're fine if restrictions stay.
I mean, we'll do what we have to do to play because we want to play so bad. So whatever they tell us, we're doing basically.
Whatever keeps them in class and on the court
You need all the balls picked up.
safely.
Now, I did talk to every single school district from Weber County down to Utah County. They all pretty much have the same answer. Nothing will change unless, of course, guidance from health departments changes. Now, a lot of these sports, all of them are from the Utah High School Sports Activities Association. They're the ones that come up with those protocols that all the schools follow. They told me this afternoon that they're going to continue to consult with state and local officials in the coming weeks to assess the most effective path forward. So we could see some changes. We just don't know quite yet. Live in Sandy, Lauren Steinbrecher, Fox 13 News, Utah.
A lot of wait and see right now. Lauren, thank you. The Canyon School District also taking a look at whether to return to class 5 days a week before this school year is over. Right now, students attend class in person 4 days with independent learning from home and teacher prep days on Fridays.
Right now, it's just a discussion. We're looking at all of the options and raising the issue of how we should be moving forward this spring. And so it's been a very robust discussion and an interesting one.
That's the Canyons District spokesperson, Jeff Haney. He says the school board asked the district to present options on how to move forward, which they'll then present to the board to discuss at their March 16th meeting.